Hi, today I'm part of me, HardReset, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the accessibility features. Here click to shortcuts and gestures and tap to Google Assistant section. To use Google Assistant with the press and hold the power key button, you should click to this switcher to activate it, and now just press and hold the power key for 3 seconds and we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. To unlink it from the power key, click on the switcher to turn it off, and that's it. Now just by pressing hold to the power key button, we'll activate the power off menu. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.